Okay, hello AP Computer Science students. Today is Tuesday, December 1st. Happy December. Today's going to be a little bit different. I don't actually have any videos. All I have is two assignments for you to work on, both of which are due this Friday before you take the test. So they are things that'll help you prepare for the test. It's a set of questions from the AP site. So you'll need to log into your AP site and then find the correct problems, and then a practice test. Right, so I'm going to scroll down here to the folder. Right, I put a little directions in there, but then the what we're looking for on the AP side is the Unit 4 Progress Check multiple choice questions, MCQ. That's what that stands for. So here's how you get in again. You'll have to remember your password. If you forgot it, you'll have to reset it or whatever. But yeah, you don't need to turn in anything there. Just go onto the site, complete the questions, and then I'll be able to see that you got them done. And then the other thing is the practice test. And for that, the test is right here along with an answer key. But I'd only use the answer key once you've done the questions. And you can either print this off and fill it in the paper copy, or just do it on notebook paper. And then you will upload pictures of your results here. Yeah, and then that'll help you be ready for the test. So get in some good work on this today. Obviously, you don't have to finish, but definitely put some time in on it because we don't want to wait till the last minute. As always, if you have any questions, just email me and I can post help videos about whatever problems trip you up. I think that's it. Remember with the AP site questions too, those are pretty hard, right? So don't freak out. If you get 50% right on the actual AP test, that's actually going to get you a passing score. So if you don't get all those right, not the end of the world. All right, that's it. Have a good day.